Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how I created this look inspired by Kiyoi's Kustoms Resin Art Moons. I'm starting off with an oldie but a goodie. It's the ULTA Oil Slick palette, and I'm using this shimmery purple shade basically all over the eye. Really just want to highlight everything. It's a super hollow shade. Then you want to take a slightly darker, still shimmery purple shade and define the crease line. And now I'm taking the gorgeous Urban Decay Heavy Metals palette and using this shimmery purple, and I'm going to be redefining the crease line, just blending it out a little bit more and adding some more dimension. Next, I'm taking Tarte Shape Tape Concealer to create the cut crease. My advice when doing this is to use an even layer of concealer. You really don't want your eyeshadow turning out splotchy, and if you don't make it even, then it will be. Finally, the Queen of Purples palette. Woo! I'm actually taking the base and I'm going to be just blending out the concealer on the middle of my eye. Now I'm using Hangover RX setting spray on a medium-sized flat brush and going to be going into the NYX Ultimate Brights palette, this light purple shade, and really patting it down all over the eyelid. So if you guys watch my other videos, you know that I love this palette. The only thing about it is that you have to use a lot of it to get it on evenly. This shade especially is a pain in the ass. It was so light and again splotchy. Back to Norvina and actually using purple in the shade Celestial, going over the corners of my cut crease to give more dimension. Spraying down another flat brush to go back to the Heavy Metals palette using the shade Glam Rock. Gonna be highlighting the corners of my eye, my brow bone, and the middle of my eyelid. Next, I'm taking spandex along the cut crease to really define the look. Back to the original shade, gonna use it under the highlighter just to bring purple throughout my face. For highlight, I'll be using the Kat Von D Metal Crush Highlight Palette, taking the middle shade and putting it where I want highlighted, so basically all over my face. Now I'm using NYX That's the Point eyeliner and going to be giving myself a pretty dramatic line. Now I'm going to outline that with some sparkle liner I got off of Wish, and it's kind of shitty, but it works. As always, Kat Von D's Shade and Light Contour Palette. I didn't go too heavy on contour this time. I was really going for a light, airy look. Now I'm taking my Morphe 9N blush palette and using the lightest pink. To start the lips, I'll be using NYX Liquid Suede lipstick in the shade Sway all over my lips. Alright, so here's the thing about this lipstick. I love NYX, and I gotta say, their lipsticks tend to be flaky and not great for long lasting, but they're fine for a look. So now I'm taking the same shades from the Heavy Metals palette and I'm going to be using them on my lips, taking that silver shade in the middle of my lips and that purple shade around the edges, really going to make it look hollow. And here's where Kiyoi's Kustoms came in. I used some liquid latex just to stick this on my forehead for the look only. Would probably recommend some spirit gum for an all night thing. And don't mind how difficult it is to try and put on a necklace with extensions. She's done. Finally. Finished the look. I hope you guys like it. I freaking love how this turned out and I'm so thankful for Kiyoi sending me all these goodies. I'm going to be hopefully making some new looks with all the other stuff she sent me, so stay tuned and keep watching for these amazing bloopers.